Bearing installation. Left crankcase. Crankshaft bearing. Install the crankcase firmly on the engine jig. Install the thrust plate and the crankshaft to the right crankshaft bearing as shown. Now seat the bearing on the crankshaft parallel to the crank web with the number facing outwards. Install the crankshaft bearing inserter tool on the crankshaft and insert the bearing as shown. Ensure that the bearing is seated properly in the crankcase. Finally, remove the crankshaft bearing inserter tool as shown.